Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the phone is unlocked and you're ready to act. Open Settings now, go to Connections or Network and Internet depending on your model. Once there, tap Data Usage to see the overview and your billing cycle dates. You do this so you reset the right period, make sure the cycle shown matches your carrier. If it does not, change the cycle dates before proceeding, otherwise you may clear the wrong usage totals. Now you engage the middle steps. Tap Mobile Data Usage and choose the SIM or profile you want to reset. Once selected, open Billing Cycle or Data Warning and Limit Settings. Some models label it differently. Change the billing cycle start date to today or use Reset Statistics if that option appears. You do this because altering the cycle forces the counter to restart. If Reset Statistics is present, it directly zeros the totals. Make deliberate changes so you track accurately. Finish by confirming the cycle start date or that statistics read 0, then restart the device to let the system apply changes. Once done, reopen data usage and verify the totals reset. If counts remain unchanged, toggle mobile data off and on or reboot again and recheck. If your Samsung still cannot reset usage or shows inconsistent readings, contact your carrier. They may manage billing counters server.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.